How to fix Instagram security code not received. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to tap on the forgot password, type in your mobile number, and hit continue. Now, if you have typed in your mobile number and hit continue, but you can't receive your security code, here's what you're going to do. You must firstly go to settings, tap on notification and status bar. You just have to scroll down and search for messages. Now click on messages and make sure that allow notification is toggled on. Now you just have to click on more settings, click on notification, and make sure that the show notification right here are toggled on as well. The next thing you're going to do is to tap on the spam protection right here. Make sure that this is disabled. This is because your phone might recognize that security code as spam and might not make you see it. Lastly, you just have to check on your messages if it is in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!